Welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And well, friends, another very strong week in the markets, and especially in the small cap space. Friends, there are huge capital inflows coming in, and it's all started since July 1st, the financial year, and it is really taking effect. And we are also seeing very big capital raises. But, and I want to ask Shaun this question, the momentum, it almost feels too hot. Shaun, what do you do in situations like this?
It's feeling very hot. What do? I enjoy it, and I go a lot bigger than what I was doing a few months or years ago. We've got to enjoy it while it's here because we don't know how long it'll stay. It's not nearly as good as 2020 and 2021, but when you compare it to 2015, 2016, other runs like that, it's great. So yeah, I mean, we just got to wait and see. Enjoy it while it's here, and hopefully it stays. Let's take a look at the screens. Let's start on a 180 Markets platform. The week started with OMG over here. Now, OMG had a massive run last week. They took advantage of that, raised money at a cent, gave away some options, and got it away. TM1 did a raise, not one that I follow, at 7 cents. CYM went out to raise $40 million. Now, Greg, I know you follow them. They raised money at 2.8 cents.
Cyprium, they went out there for $40 million, Shaun, and they raised $80 million.
Wow.
And the discount was a mere 7%, but that's what happens in a strong market with a strong copper project.
Now, that's a lot of money. What's their market cap, Greg?
It was 46 million pre-raise, I believe.
Wow. So they raised 80 million off a 40 million market cap. A bit diluted there, but not a big discount. AR9 raised money. Do you follow that one, Greg?
I don't, unfortunately.
Neither. Now, we both follow GCI. That's
Yes.
an income trust. So GCI and MA1 both hit the market. Two more income trusts. They're just raising money everywhere, aren't they, Greg?
Yes, and there's a lot of demand, and that is one of the great things about our platform is that we have so many different types of offerings, Shaun.
Now, this one was a massive offering, Greg, Linus, and we were pretty happy with our allocation. They raised $750 million, 13 billion market cap. So we get access to everything, don't we, Greg?
That's correct.
Well done, Greg. BLU, don't know much about that.
No.
Now, let's just start. There's a lot of live raises. We've got BKT live.
Yes.
Great that we got early access there, $10 million raise. Do you reckon they'll upsize that, Greg?
I don't believe it because I think they're concerned with dilution, but if you want exposure to graphite, a forward-facing metal, this is a great opportunity for you.
Comes with a 1-for-1 free option, market cap 41 million. Now, there were quite a few other ones here. We can see Lachlan Star PH2. Unfortunately, they went out for 2 million, ended off with 1. But we're going to talk about a market darling that's finally raising. Let's take a look at DTR. If we look at this chart, about, 6 months ago, 5 months ago, it went parabolic. Now, I used to own a lot of shares in this company, and I sold it at a loss. If I held, I don't think I'd be sitting here, Greg. DTR raising money at 21.5 cents, only $20 million. The bids are going nuts this morning. Yeah, good luck to DTR. Steve, hopefully it all works out great for you. Now, as we said, a lot of movers this week, and this one was probably one of the biggest. Take a look at IVZ, Invictus Energy. This used to be a very popular stock years ago, and it's gone pretty quiet. But this week, they announced His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Jabbar bin Jassim Al Thani from Qatar has invested. Now, the Sheikh invested at a premium to where it was trading, so the Sheikh obviously sees something that we don't, and now the market's caught on and trading at 17 cents.
Wow.
So amazing there, and good luck, Mr. Sheikh. Now, MML, another one that I used to hold, sold at a loss as well. What am I doing, Greg? I think I need to go work the streets or something. They raised money a couple of months ago, and finally today they've had a big run. 3.5 cents MML. They were down in the doldrums for a long time, but yeah, they have hit some high grades. Now, this is a titanium heavy earth mineral sands company.
And they put out great results.
Yeah, so well done to the guys there. Well done to CPS. I think they did try and convince me to hold, but I wouldn't listen. Uranium stocks are going pretty well today. Look at Lotus, up 10%.
Nice.
PDN is up 9%, and Alligator, they're up to 2.4. Now, VR1, Greg, I know you love the stock.
Yes.
It's had a great movement since the placement.
Yes.
Tell us about it, Greg.
So Vectron, right in that technology space with AI, they're signing up huge contracts, company after company. I believe that their revenue is on pace now to do about $65 million, Shaun, and the market seems to respond positively.
LKY came out of a trading halt on Monday, went all the way up to the low 30s. This is another crazy one that's moved with DTR, moved at the same time. Done quite a few placements on the way up, but falling a bit today. So the big question traders are going to ask is, where does it stop? Is this just a little halt, or will it continue on its merry ways?
Yes.
MGU, now I remember this one. They try to raise money at 0.2. I think they did end up getting that away, and investors are now up 5 times their money. So amazing stuff there.
Shaun, that's what happens in strong microcap markets, isn't it?
Oh, exactly. And another one which did pretty similar, J-Ride, they did have a conversion of 0.2 this sense. And I think people just don't even care about the companies sometimes. They just see the trend and it keeps going up.
That's right.
So, yeah, amazing. Let's mention BMM, big run there. There's just so many of these, GSM, and yeah, they just keep going. So we could keep on naming them. And as we mentioned last week, a lot of investors didn't realize how many free options they had.
That's right.
From placements in the hard times. A lot of investors would have taken placements and just forgotten about those options, and now a lot of them are deep in the money. So well done, everyone. All right, that's a wrap. Have a great weekend, everyone.